and gals, Barbie Figueroa here, and in today's video I am going to dive a little bit deeper into faceless marketing for those of you who may be shy about showing your face. Maybe you're just getting started and you're not ready to go full on with video yet, or maybe your job doesn't allow you to show your face on video, so you want to do like some marketing on the low, like on the side, and so you want to start with faceless marketing. Now recently I just did a video about that, and I will put it on the end screen, but inside of that video I got a comment from a gentleman who wanted to know, where do you get the videos to create the faceless content, and does this strategy work for any type of digital product or for just faceless marketing? And so in this video I am going to dive a little bit deeper into what is actually inside of that faceless marketing course, just in case you want to check it out. And then I'm also going to show you how you can create as many faceless videos as you want without any issues with, copyright or any of that stuff. And you can create your own because it's really, really simple to do in Canva. So if you want to learn more about that, then keep on watching. All right, guys and gals. Well, I'm going to just kind of like share the outline again of this faceless marketing mini course, and I will link it for you right below in the description or in the pinned comment, just in case you want to go ahead and check that out. Now, I will tell you that this course is more about you than it is about me, because I've already been online for a long time, and I am a YouTube girl. I'm okay with showing my face, even though there's times where I don't want to show my face. I'll do a screen record and things like that. But when I first got started, I was afraid to show my face. And after working with so many people online, I realized that's one of the things that holds them back. So whether it's an issue of it holding you back, or you can't because of your job or whatever, at least you do not have to not get in this game of digital marketing because you can't show your face. There is a way to create money and success even if you don't show your face. Okay, now this course is going to show you how to do that. I'm going to recap some of the things that you will learn inside of this course. So you're going to learn 3 strategies for effective faceless marketing, including brand aesthetic, strong hooks, sharing your story. It's the same thing as showing your face, except strategically, she's going to show you how to do it without having to show your face. So, it's kind of like, think about it this way. It's like there are certain things that fit better for a podcast, right? You don't see the person's face, you don't see the person's image, but you hear their voice. And when you hear their voice, they still make a connection with you, right? That's why radio is so popular, because even though you don't see their face, you still get the emotion of the music or of the vibe or whatever it is that they're talking about. You can still catch that vibe, right? So you want to look at faceless marketing as the same thing. It isn't about this, I started an AI faceless marketing and I made a bajillion dollars. No, you are still wanting to apply the same principles of know, like, trust, adding value, sharing stuff that's, valuable, even if you're faceless. So kind of look at it as just another way to do the same thing, but without having to show your face. You still want to build trust. You still want to have a nice brand, a visual brand. You still want to have strong hooks and calls to actions. You still want to share your story, but you're going to do it in a way where you don't have to show your face. The course is also going to teach you how to build 4 crucial trust building strategies to convert followers into customers. And she's going to share a step-by-step faceless content creation strategy. And she's going to show you how to create reels for Instagram. Okay. But I'm going to show you how you can create reels. If you don't like the ones that she's got or the ones that she shows you how to do, because we're all different, I'm going to show you how you can easily create a reel for Instagram that is faceless and still creates that know, like, and trust and connects with your target audience. Okay. So with that being said, if you want to check out the course, I will link it for you in the description box, and I will also link it for you inside of my pinned comment. Okay. So with that being said, let's go to Canva. And here I am with inside of my Canva Pro account. I believe you're going to need a Canva Pro account. I've been using Canva Pro for many years, so I really don't know if this is available on the free account. So you're going to have to just check that out yourself. Okay. But there's a couple of ways that you can create a reel for Instagram. Okay. So you can come over here and you can go to Instagram Reel. Okay. You should see it right on the dashboard of your Canva, or you can come over here and create an Instagram reel from here. Okay. So it's totally up to you. So what we're going to do is we're just going to come right over here. We're going to create a reel from here. And now what you want to do is you want to select a video background. You see when I hover over this, they're videos. Okay. They're videos. So remember, the goal is to create trust, to grab attention, to have a hook, to connect with your target audience, right? So it's not going to be that difficult. What you need to figure out is what industry you're in. That's the first thing. So let's just say you want to appeal to work at home moms, right? So maybe you want to put here work at home mom in the search. So maybe this will be a reel. Okay. And it's as simple as that. How to work from home. 5 tips on how to work from home. Right? And then what you would do is you would make it your brand colors. So hopefully you have some sort of a brand palette. And so I would do something like this. Okay. And obviously you want to pick videos that match your brand, but it could be something as simple as this. That is it. And that is a video. Let's go ahead and play it. You'll see. And you can put that on your Instagram. Now, another cool way to create reels without having to show your face is with quotes, right? So let's go ahead and add another page over here. I'm going to click on this little arrow and I want to add another page. And so let's go and look for another cool background. So let's say something like something that has a laptop in it, for example, or something like inspiration. We'll do inspiration. Okay. All right. So we could do something like that. All right. So this one's nice, just like that. You have the power to protect your peace. But let's go one step further. And I am going to look for one of my favorite quotes by Zig Ziglar, which is, you can have everything in your life that you want if you can just help enough other people get what they want. Okay, so I did a research real quick, and this is the quote that I want to use. So I am going to copy that, and I'm going to bring it back into this reel, and we're just going to paste that. And I'm going to make it a little bit smaller by grabbing these corners. And I'm going to come over here, and then of course I'm going to add his name. So we're going to put Zig Ziglar. Okay. And then of course, this is how you create the reel, but the course itself is going to teach you the strategy. Okay. So that's what you want. You want the actual strategy. And so that's what that will teach you. Okay. But you can create endless amounts of content and videos with a Canva Pro account. All right. Now, I do, again, recommend that you check out her course because she's going to show you how to keep your actual profile aesthetic. All right. So that everything looks congruent, so that everything flows and it looks like you're like someone is running that profile who's intentional about what they're doing. They just can't show their face. Okay. Now the other thing that I want to share with you is you might be thinking, okay, well, I'm in a different industry. Maybe you are in digital marketing. Maybe you are in finance. Maybe you are in fitness. Well, then that is as simple as coming up here into the search box and putting in, fitness. And if you go here, you're going to find different photos or different reels that you can customize. Okay, so it just depends on what you're doing. So if you are with a company and you sell supplements, or you sell digital products that are fitness related, or you're with a network marketing company that is fitness related, well, here are your fitness niche videos. And they're basically, even though you're using similar backgrounds, like a lot of other people have access to these Canva videos, the way that you brand them, the way that you write your quotes, the fonts that you use is going to make it slightly different. So they're all going to be different. So you're not going to really have a problem with looking like everyone else as long as you have a brand aesthetic that you are going in with. Okay. And then let's just say you're in finance, so you want to maybe do like a finance video. All right. So you could use something like this. All right. Or maybe you are faith-based, right? So let's say faith. Okay. So you can go ahead and put something that's faith-based. All right. Or something like that. All right. So it's as simple as coming to the search bar and using some creativity to find the type of videos that are going to speak to your target audience. Now, for all the strategy on how to do this, that I would highly encourage you to check out the course. I will have it in the pinned comment and in the description box right below this video. So hopefully this video helped you. Hopefully it gave you an idea of how you can still approach faceless marketing with the same principles that you would as if you are showing your face. And now you also know how to easily create as many unique reels through Canva that you want for your faceless Instagram profile. So hopefully that video did help you. If it did, please go ahead and like this video and subscribe to my channel, and make sure to hit that notification bell if you want to be alerted the next time that I upload a video to my YouTube channel. So with that being said, this has been Barbie Figueroa with brandingwithbarbie.com. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on another video. Bye.